Okay, so in the previous video we learned how to target all the elements with this name, but let's try something different. Let's say if we have a class with let's say a different name, for example success. Okay, for example we have class button success. So how do you target this element? Okay, so let's give it a try. What we can do is again start like this. Now what I want to select is but I want to target this class name, right? Button success. Now don't forget this dot sign. Every time you targeting the class name, you do the dot sign. Every time you're targeting the ID, you use this, right? Okay, so before we were selecting all the elements, that's why it was fine, but now we're targeting just a particular class. So button dot success, and what I want to do is I want to add class name to this one and give it a class name of animated shake. In fact, all the buttons already have this animated applied to this one, so I can just do shake. All right, so let's give it a try. As you can see, refresh, they bounce, but this one's shaked, so it's a different effect than the rest. So that's pretty cool. This is how you target this specific class. What if, for example, let's say target 6 ID I want to target? So how do I do that? So same as this one. Now this time we're targeting the ID, and then it's target 6, I think, yeah, target 6. And what I want to do this time, let's say fade out. Okay, so I'm targeting this ID this time and adding the class name fade out. Okay, now as soon as I refresh, it should fade out. Refresh. Okay, I think I spelled it wrong. Yeah, it should be capital fade out. Okay, now as soon as I refresh, as you can see, it's fade out. Now if you want to learn more about the animated CSS, you can search and go to the documentation, and you get to see a lot of animated CSS. Okay, and you get to choose a lot of different things like flash. That's what it would do. So you get all kinds of cool stuff like wobble. Yeah, so you can try all these different effects for you, right? It's a lot of fun. Now let's refresh. Yeah, it's fade out. So that's how you target this specific class or specific IDs. All right, now let's do one more, and this time what if you want to remove the class? How do you do that? Let's remove the class name from the button with the class name of success. So let's do that. So what I want to do is I want to target all the buttons first, right? Target all the button, then remove class, and then this time I'm targeting all the buttons. However, the only class name that I want to remove is button success. Okay, so I'm targeting all the buttons. However, the one I'm removing is this button success. Let's give it a try, and as you can see, the class is gone, so it's back to its normal state. Okay, so that's how you can target the class name, target the IDs, and remove the class names. Okay, so it's pretty cool, right? Pretty easy with jQuery. Okay, so let's do some more cool stuff in the next video.